Standard 8, Chapter 5, Natural Disaster. There are two types of natural disaster. First type, earthquake, tsunami, volcano, and second type, flood, cyclone, forest fires, and drought. Now, this type, earthquake, tsunami, and volcano, occurs due to changes in the interiors of the earth, and this type occurs due to change on the surface of the earth. Now we will see first earthquake. Now how it is occur earthquake? So due to catastrophic sudden movement like collision of plates in the interior of the earth or heavy pressure, the weak upper crust of earth experience sudden tremors. This is called earthquake. The place from where the earthquake originates is called its focus of hypocenter, and it is located in the interior of the earth. The place exactly above the focus on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Now to measure it, to measure earthquake, which device is used? So a seismograph is used to find the epicenter and measure the intensity of the earthquake. Now there are, see here, the disturbance on the surface due to earthquake and scene of the destruction due to the earthquake. You can see this building have collapsed here. You can see destruction due to earthquake. Now there are three main reasons for the occurrence of the earthquake. Which are they? Three reasons. First, earthquake caused by volcanic eruption, earthquake caused by slip fault, and earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. Means subduction means here, सबडक्शन मीन्स विड्रॉल. कभी कभी ज़मीन के अंदर से ज़मीन बैठ जाती है और ऊपर वाली चीज़ फंस जाती है, ठस जाती है. इट इज़ नोन एज सबडक्शन जोन. नाउ कॉलिशन या धरती के ऊपर की सत्ता जो ज़रा से भी कमज़ोर होती है या फिर उसमें हलचल होती है, तो आपस में प्लेट टकराने से या फिर ज़मीन के अंदर से हियर आपस में प्लेट टकराने से या फिर ज़मीन के अंदर ज़्यादा प्रेशर हो जाता है, तो धरती की अंदरूनी जगह पर यहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक हमें महसूस होता है. हियर volcanoes means ज्वालामुखी. Volcano refers to an opening in the earth crust from which motion, lava, fragments, ashes, dust and gases are ejected from below the earth's surface. Volcano is a fissure or a vent in the weaker rock strata of the crust of the earth. During the volcanic eruption, rock material, ash, water, vapor, gases and the hot magma, etc. are thrown upwards towards the surface through this vent. Volcanoes are caused due to, there are four reasons: high temperature in the interior of the earth, creation of the magma, creation of gases and the vapor, and fourth, rises of magma towards the earth's surface. Now magma is pushed upwards by the gases. underlying it. Water trapped under the surface turn into vapor, which in turn pushes the magma upwards. Finally, the gases, vapors and the magma erupt through the vent with a great force, in the form of lava, ash, gas, rock, pieces, etc. This is known as volcano. Now, after the eruption, volcanic residuals like rock, material, ash, magma, etc. deposited around the vent. यहाँ पे ये vent है, यानी ये neck. यहाँ से ये deposit होता है यहाँ पे सब. And they form a conical hill-like formation. Frequent eruption create a tall, larger hill. This is called volcanic mountain hill. Now there are three types of volcanoes: active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano. Volcanoes are found at various places in the world. There is only one active volcano in India, and that is in the island of Andaman and Nicobar. Volcanic eruption at the place or region leads to massive destruction in a local area. Volcanoes have certain benefits. The fertility of land increases due to the lava. Agriculture production is very good due to fertile land in Java and Sumatra, as it is made of lava. The potassium-rich soil from the volcanic residual help the farmers obtain abundant crop production. The hot water spring in the area of volcano have germ-killing property, and that cures skin disease. At the lower depth from surface of earth, certain minerals like mercury, tungsten, tin plating, zinc, aluminum, etc. can be obtained easily due to volcano. The lava that cools down inside the vent of extinct volcano turns it into diamonds with the passage of time. The small rocks thrown cut during volcanic eruption known as lapilli, which have been proved to be very useful as they can be molded easily. Now there are three types of volcano: active volcano, dormant and extinct volcano. Volcano erupts cause massive destruction in local area. Volcano have certain benefits. Fertility of soil increases due to lava, so agriculture benefits.